Restore your old and burnt pots and pans with this simple method. To begin, we'll sprinkle baking soda on the bottom of the burnt pot. You should place it inside a larger plastic container, then we'll use white vinegar. By combining these ingredients, effervescence will quickly occur. We'll rotate the pot, and as you can notice, it still looks very burnt. We'll do the same on the inside of the pot. Sprinkle with baking soda, then cover it with vinegar. After a few minutes, the dirt will have started to loosen. Now, add hot water. We'll do this both inside and in the container holding the pot, and let it sit for about 10 minutes to take effect. Then we turn the pot over, and as you can see, most of the dirt will have come off with the help of a thick steel wool. We'll scrub the entire exterior well. You'll first notice it clears up quickly. And we'll do the same on the inside of the pot. As a final touch, we'll put a little toothpaste. You might be wondering why we're doing this. You'll see the toothpaste along with the baking soda. It removes all the grease from the inside of the pot and gives it a spectacular shine that looks like new. After finishing scrubbing, all that's left is to rinse with enough water. You can use this method whenever the pot starts to darken, and you'll notice it will look very shiny and nice. Look how nice the pot looks after rinsing. Then scrub with soap, dishwasher as usual, and with this, we'll have completely restored the burnt pot. If you've made it this far, leave pot emojis so I know you watched the whole video. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our tips.